Now about rule 2, we go to rule number 3, which is empower. Okay, when you're empowering, this is what you do. Natapos na ba yung negosyo sa pay-in? Can you imagine kung tapos na ito sa pay-in? One term ka lang, tapos na career mo. Right? Bakit? Hindi pa umaandar yung network. Pay-in lang yun eh. Hanggang engage. Nag-pay-in siya. So what's next? Pag nag-pay-in na siya, ano ang trabaho mo bilang apply? Turuan, i-guide. Ang tawag sa iyo is sponsor. Tama? Hindi ka recruiter. Tawag sa iyo sponsor. In sponsor in Tagalog is? What sponsor in Tagalog? Pagbinyag.
Ninong.
Saka? Ninang. Anong ginagawa ng ninong at ninang? Trabaho ng ninong at ninang, i-guide. Tama? So as an upline, your job is to guide your downline or your direct recruit. Okay? Guide them with what? It's simple. Just have to remember the 4 E's. Number 1, you edify. Okay? How do you edify? Simple. Nag-pay na siya. Right? You welcome them. Okay? Pag nag-pay na, papansin, sino dito yung nag-pay tapos pinicturan? Taas yung kamay. Nung nag-pay pinicturan. Alright. Hindi ka ba tataka ba't ka pinicturan? Ha? Malaking ano sa'yo? Ba't ka pinicturan? Kailan ka nag-pay? Yung Friday. And then suddenly, pinicturan ka. Right? Ba't kaya? You don't know. Hanggang ngayon, you don't know. Alright. That's for documentation purposes. So that one day, pwede namin patunayan na nag-pay-in ka pag multi-millionaire ka na. Pwede? Okay na sa'yo ngayon? Tama? And another thing, we use it to welcome people. Because after that, you'll be uploaded to your Facebook group's Facebook page. Are you a member already of your Facebook page? O yun, i-upload yun, i-welcome ka. Alright? That's what the welcome is. Aside from the welcome, pag nag-pay yung tao, ABC rule mo. Dito sa office, to at least 2 or 3 people. Para sa ABC rule, may dala siya, ikot mo siya, pakilala mo siya dito, pakilala mo siya sa upline mo, pakilala mo siya sa crossline niya. Bakit mo ginagawa? Ginawa din sa'yo, pinakilala ka, na nag-pay ka, 1 or 2 people. Yes, do you wanna know why? You do that so that the person will be comfortable coming back. Maging comfortable ka, baka wala kang kilala. No. So, ka pa na mabigyan ng tip din. Okay? Tama? Right. So, they get to know more people here and they get to listen to more tips. Ngayon na nag-pay-in sila, very important. Okay? Ano ba tip ko sa bagong pay-in? Ano unang gagawin? Let's see. Ano unang gagawin? Right. Attend the NDO. That's true. Okay? But you welcome them. Okay? With edifying, you welcome them, then you introduce them. Okay? Introduce them to more people. And then, you equip them. Ano yung equip? Ano yung sabihin equip? Mga tools. Make sure they have the magazine, make sure they know what to do, make sure they know the office, you tour them. Alam nila kung saan pupunta, seminar room 1, seminar room 2. Make sure they know the schedules. Kailan anong oras ang bomb ng GBS, kailan ang NDO. Right. As an upline, you guide them with these things. Ikaw magsusupply ng information sa downline mo. Schedules. Importante ba malaman mo ng downline mo yung mga schedules? Yes. Of course. Right? Importante ba malaman ng downline mo sa kumukuha ng package? Yes. So itutur mo sila. You will edify them and you will also encourage them. Okay? Part of encouragement also is introducing them. They get encouraged also. Okay? Now when you want them to get encouraged, you also sit down with them after they pay in. Okay? You sit down with them and you ask them a few things. May tinatawag kami ditong heart-to-heart talk. Mashi? Cheesy ba? Cheesy? Okay. Heart-to-heart. Remember, this is a business of... What kind of business is this? It's a people business. And can you really help your downline if you don't know what he wants out of this opportunity? Matutulungan mo ba talaga siya? Kung hindi mo alam kung bakit niya ginagawa itong negosyo mo. O pinag-payin mo lang siya. Tapos that's it. Tama. Right? Yan ba downline lang or business partner? And is it crucial na makilala mo ang business partner mo? Is it crucial na alam mo rin kung ano ang gusto ng business partner mo mangyari? Yes. So it happens in encourage. You sit down, you set expectations. Alright? Ano ba? Magkano bang gusto mong kitain? Why are you doing this business? Bakit mo ba kailangan gawin itong negosyo to? May hinahabol ba tayong kailangan mo kitain? Magkano yun? Magiging beneficial ba kung alam mo itong mga bagay na to? Yes. Alam mo kung paano siya tulungan. Tama? Right. So you ask questions. Usap kayo. Right? That will form a solid business partnership. Okay? Built on trust. Okay. Solid ba ang partnership nyo ng apply nyo? Yes. Naku, hindi baka pagsagot yung iba? Yes. Solid? Yes. Alright. Good. Andito ba apply mo ngayon? Yes. Talaga? Tignan mo nga, sabihin mo, thank you, apply. Yes. Yes, cheesy. Alright. No. You form solid bonds, solid relationships. Kasi we believe, when an upline and downline has solid relationships, the next one will also have a solid relationship. Tama hindi? Eh yung kasunod? Solid? Eh yung kasunod? Solid? Solid? So pag lumaki yan to 10,000 people at lahat may solid relationships, do you have a strong network? Yes! That's what you need to understand. Eventually, lalaki network mo. At kung ano gawin mo dun sa una, yun ang mangyayari sa lahat. So you need to take care of your downline. Yes. Because he will take care of his downline when you do that. Okay? It's a copy business. Alright. Iiwanan mo sa seminar room. Ano mangyayari? Next, iwanan din niya yun. Good luck sa solid network. Tama? Alright. Another, after you encourage you, educate. Ano nga i-educate? Hindi mo ibubuhos lahat ng alam mo sa tao sa unang bagsak. Is this clear? Yes. Okay, ano lang. Pag nag-uumpisa pa lang, Rule 1. Nasaan ang Rule 1? Nasaan? Ito. Ito yung mga ilalatag mo lang. Bakit? Nandiyan pa lang siya sa face na yan eh. Tama yun eh. Right. So kailangan yan, mga kailangan niya malaman. Tsaka may tinatawag kami dito, bago umuwi, hinihelmetan namin ang mga tao. Ano may helmet? Hinihelmetan namin. Binabalutan namin ang positivity para pagbalik sa real world. Ang dami negative dyan eh. Tama yun eh. Alright, subukan mo, magpakawala ng downline. Kahit nag-pay in na. Tapos wag mong helmetan. Hindi na yan babalik. Magiging parte na siya ng mga negative. Makakain siya ng mga negative. Tama hindi? Nangyayari hindi? Nangyayari. Kasi sinabi, huwag mag-invite. Eh, hindi mo sinabi huwag mag-invite. Nag-invite. Eh, nag-invite. Mali yung proseso ng ginawa niya. Patatanggihan? Pag natanggihan, bababa ang intensity level? Pag bumaba ang intensity level, mati-disappoint? Babalik pa, hindi na. Yun ang nangyayari. So huwag kang magtaka minsan pag yung tao hindi na bumalik. May hindi ka nasabi. May hindi ka na-invite. I'm not saying you're on fault. Pero kailangan gawin mo yung part mo as your upline. Okay? Now, after educating, after rule number 1. Okay? Sorry. Expand. Ano pinag-uusapan sa expand? Ano pinag-uusapan sa expand? Ang pinag-uusapan sa expand, you expand your business. So, ibig sabihin, you have to set the schedules. Ano yung schedules? Ilang beses siya kailangan mag-GBS? How many times kailangan ng tao mag-GBS? 3 times. A-attend. Tama hindi. 3 to 5 times. MDO, ilang beses? 5 times din. Right? So, kailan yun? Baka mamaya nag-pay in, wow, congratulations, yeah, excited na, tapos umuwi. Kailan magkita ulit eh. Kailan simula ng training niya? Tama? Kailan simula ng first invite niya? Sino yung mga gusto niyang i-invite? Una. Tinatanong yan. Inaalam yan. Alright? Ano mga plano niya? So, you have to set the schedule. Okay? Bago ka umuwi, kailan tayo magkikita ulit? Tomorrow, dito ka ha, attend ka ng GPS. Huwag ka muna magdadala. Attend ka muna ng GPS. Tama? Right. So, that's the schedule already. Expansion na ba yun? Yes. Kasi, nagpro-progress na yung business niya. Nagsisimula na siya doon sa system niya. Journey niya doon sa system. Clear? Yes. Alright. Now, aside from schedules, dito rin yung expectations. You also talk about, may mga plans pa siya. Ano ba? Sa mga gusto niya ng tirahing cloud? Meron ba siyang call center na gustong i-dominate? Meron ba siyang school na gustong i-dominate? Meron ba siyang probinsya na gustong kunin? Diyan pinag-uusapan yung expansion plans. Exciting to, pinag-uusapan? Yes. O kaya, sino ang first 5 na gusto mong makuha? Plano mo. Kasi gusto kong makuha si ganito, si ganyan, si ganito, si ganyan, si ganyan. Ano mga profile niyan? As an upline, dapat ba alam mo yun? Yes. So, ano mga profile niyan? Ito kasi, ito estudyante, ito, pero medyo negative yan, medyo mayamang yan, ito. Pag sinabi niya yung mga yan, mabibigyan mo na ng tips kung paano i-invite. Kahit 5 lang muna. Okay? Huwag yung buong 200 na nasa prospect list. Okay? Bigyan mo ng tip muna sa 5. Pag in-invite mo, dapat ganito muna. Tapos ito, pag in-invite mo, dapat ganyan. Alright? Ikaw yung trained eh. Bigyan mo na siya ng sample. Right? And then, beware of negative people. Ikaw na rin magsabi sa kanya na as we do this business, may ma-encounter ka mga tao dyan. Alright? Kung yung negative, nini-negative tayo, ako, nini-negative din ako ng negative naman. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, unuunahan ko na sila. Negative people are dream stealers. Never listen to negative people. Yes? Do you agree? Yes. So ngayon, when you meet a negative person outside, alam mo na. Ine-expect mo na. Kung hindi mo ine-expect, akala mo lahat ng kausapin mo sasali. Disappoint. Tama? Alright. So now you know. Okay? Kung anong gagawin din sa downline when it comes to empower. Now, Rico, ano mangyayari dyan? Explore, engage, empower. How does that work? Simple. Ito ka ngayon. This is you. Tama ba? This is you? Alright. Ganyan yung genealogy mo, di ba? When you look at it. Isa ka. Alright. When you start to explore, may prospect list ka, nag-invite ka ng tama, and then numbers came, and then ginawa mo yung buong sistema. May magagawa kang mga appointment? Meron? For sure meron? Sigurado yan. So, ito ang mangyayari. Bakit dotted line? Hindi ba sigurado? Pero may potential na, tama? May appointment na eh. Right? Pag sinunod mo naman ang engage ng tama, ano mangyayari? Ano mangyayari dito? Magpipayin. May tawalan ka na? Mayaman ka na? Bakit? Dalawa pa lang yan. Correct. Hindi alam na gagawin ng dalawa kung anong gagawin. Ikaw ba saan mo nalaman kung anong gagawin? Sa training, sa upline, tama? So saan niya malalaman kung anong gagawin? Sa'yo. Correct? Pag siya nag-training at sinabi sa'yo, tinuruan mo and educate mo, you empower the person using this, gagawin niya to? Yes. Ano mangyayari? Meron din. Tama? Okay. And then, siya naman yung mag-engage. Tama? Alright. So, mabubuo yan. Ano susunod yung gagawin? Empower. Explore, engage, empower. Explore, engage, empower. Explore, engage, empower. Lumalaki? Explore, engage, empower. Explore, engage, empower. Pwede bang buong whiteboard? Ubusin ko niyan. Sa bilog-bilog na yan. As long as explore, engage, empower? Yes. So ano gagawin natin araw-araw? Explore, engage, empower. Tuesday, ano gagawin? Explore, engage, empower. Wednesday.
Explore, engage, empower.
Thursday.
Explore, engage, empower.
Friday.
Explore, engage, empower.
Saturday.
Explore, engage, empower.
Sunday. Encode, engage, empower. Tama lang. Right? But then again, guys, you just keep on doing this every day. Rule 3 every day. Let me promise you this, and it is a guarantee. As long as you follow the Rule 3 every day and you act every day, something is bound to happen. It's just a matter of gaano kabilis ka mag-Rule 3, gaano ka ka-consistent mag-Rule 3, at gaano ka ka-frequent mag-Rule 3. Kaya nga, nag-Rule 3 naman ako eh. Kailan? 2 months ago. Tama? Live, breathe, eat GFI. We just have 90 days to go till Christmas. Are you aware? Yes. 90 days to go to Christmas. Do you want a Merry Christmas?
Yes.
Then heed my word. 90 days is a long day. It's a long time. If every day is a Rule 3 day. Maraming pwedeng mangyari kung buong araw tinatagtad mo ng Rule 3. So you live, you breathe, you eat GFI. You live, you breathe, you eat Rule 3. And if you do that, then I can tell you this, 2012, you will have the most exciting Christmas of your life. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat sa pagdating. Thank you for coming. Umayaw na rin pagkakalala. Merry Christmas to you all.